welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Wednesday, February 19th, 2025.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra, and you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello Pythons, welcome back to Python TV.
Today, STN is having an all-day rehearsal.
Now here are your daily announcements.
Everybody could have visions, but they don't always come to reality. Miss Jimenez, a high school teacher, always had aspirations to start a TV production program, and she never let anything stop her from making it a reality.
So the vision of wanting to start TV production has gone so far back. Ever since high school, I've been involved in TV production, and I've always connected with it, and especially with my teacher who used to teach TV production. And I always thought to myself, it would be such a cool job to have, to be literally just like him. And here I am doing just what he was doing, but I started my own program from scratch.
Jimenez's dedication is helping students like Patrick pave the way to a successful future.
My experience being a part of a program that's starting from scratch is that, you know, I've only been part of programs in the past. I've only been part of programs that have been already built and already like fully functioning. And so it's just been really cool to see like Miss Jimenez's vision become a reality, whether it be she wants us to teach us something or like she has a new idea, we just go out and do it. And it's like cool seeing like how it's been from nothing, like nobody knew anything, to now we all know what we're doing.
Thanks to her persistence, what started as an idea is now shaping the next generation of media professionals. From vision to reality, Miss Jimenez's program is proving that with hard work, anything is possible. For STN, my name is Gianfranco Torres, reporting.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year warm for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with news and updates. Have a great day.
Go Pythons!